My Craftsman tractor turns over but has no spark. I replaced the magneto but still no spark. Any suggestions?
Hello. Thank you for choosing JustAnswer. My name is will be happy to assist you. There is a small wire attached to your ignition coil. This is your kill wire. Remove the kill wire from your ignition coil, then check for spark again without this wire attached. We can continue from here.
I tried that with the same result.
Thanks for your response. What brand is your engine?
Briggs & Stratton 31P777. 18.5 horsepower.
Thank you for confirming. Your ignition coil and your flywheel are the only parts that work together to create a spark. If you remove your kill wire, this eliminates all of your safety switches and the ground from your key switch. This means that if you are not getting a spark after removing your kill wire, either your new ignition coil is bad, or your flywheel is bad.
Clean the flywheel, the magnet is strong and the coil is new. But the old coil had no spark either. I'm stumped. I did put in a new spark plug.
If your flywheel magnets are strong, then our problem has to be related to your coil, although it is new. Is your coil an OEM coil, or aftermarket? Did you set the gap between your coil and flywheel at 0.10 inches?
It came in a Briggs & Stratton box, so I assume it was. I don't have a box anymore. I did it twice. I will have to bring the coil back and get another one.
Did you clean the two aluminum mounting surfaces underneath your coil?
No. I can try that, it will take a few minutes.
Remove your coil and clean your mounting surfaces, then reinstall your coil. Check again for spark. If you still do not get a spark with your kill wire removed, then I will strongly believe your new coil is at fault, although it is new.
Did what you said with no result.
This means that your new coil is bad.
Thanks for your help. I will return it.
You are very welcome. Thank you again for choosing JustAnswer. If you need additional assistance, please feel free to let me know, and I will be happy to continue working with you until our problem is resolved. There is a link in your email that you can click on, if or when you need to return to our discussion page. My goal is to always offer total satisfaction.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.